model, 2016 Ford Ranger Twin Cab Pickup Limited 2.2 TDCi spares OR repairs. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 114860. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2160 PS TDCi. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has ceased. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, electric windows, reversing camera, air con, sat-nav, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.